Okay, once more, welcome once more YouTube fam to another little cooking video on my family channel here. You're not going to see my face today again, but remember to make sure you watch. Please make sure that you're subscribed. When you do subscribe, hit that notification bell, press the option that says or leave me a beautiful comment below. Today I have here some chicken that has been chopped up, washed and everything. I'm going to be making curry chicken and white rice for dinner. So today I'm recording on a Tuesday, so it's curry chicken and white rice Tuesday. Okay, we're on the road to 20,000. Make sure you subscribe and make sure we reach that 20,000 by Christmas. Thank you. So I'm gonna start off my curry chicken by grating some garlic in there. Tell me, share with me in the comment section how you do your curry chicken. Curry chicken, grating off my garlic. Garlic is a must. Garlic and ginger. So this is like about 3 or 3 1/4 pounds of chicken. May I grate this piece of ginger in it, you know. Curry chicken, lots of ginger and garlic. And I really don't scrape my ginger like that too tough. And you all know from the cooking channel. Yeah, I'm grating my ginger. Yup. These stringy parts, you try not to get them in there. When you see it stringy like this, that means the ginger is like really old. So you try not to get it, because these stringy parts can be really annoying to the taste. My little go-to scallions, you know that. Doing it like mama used to back in the days. And all of you, when you watch this, you can't test. So they would do it freestyle scallion cutting. I really, if I'm doing onions, I would grate it, but onions can stay for me in the curry chicken. It mostly gives a lot of texture. Yep. Scallions to the rescue. Put it in a little salt, but not a lot. So that is about a 1/4 teaspoon. Don't put in all at once. I am putting in some basil, dried basil. Three pounds of chicken. It's dried, so that should be good. It's coming out like real sparingly. Okay. Putting in some like cumin. Be careful with this. And if you're new, you're welcome. And some people would say, can we have the recipe? No, we don't do recipes and full tutorials on this channel. You'll have to go to my cooking channel. Is cumin. Take your time with it. We are putting in right now some turmeric. I have to use turmeric these days with this curry, because let me tell you. Okay, let me just do the turmeric. Can't live without my grinder. This is my freshly grounded herbs and spices. So like how you would use your all-purpose and stuff and your chicken and whatever seasoning, I just ground my fresh one and I have it there, right in there. Putting in some curry powder. And I think I'm gonna put about, I'm gonna hold it like that at that for now. I'm gonna put in my turmeric to enhance the color of the curry, because this is what is happening these days. I did talk on the cooking channel that these days the curry makes the meat really dry. So I'm gonna get me some olive oil. I'm putting in this and maybe a little more of olive oil. I don't know what is happening with the curry and stuff these days when you season it. Meat, I think that's a lot for me, so let's rub. Yes, this is about 3 1/4. So you see, I put the little oil. You see the difference? Had I not put the little oil, it would be so dry. You know, this is something that I've been noticing like of late with the curries and the turmerics. Yeah, I've been really noticing this. And you see, I'm gonna need a little more curry and turmeric. From you look on it, you know, you see it. And I also am gonna use another spoon of oil. Everything is just different. You see, this definitely is gonna need a little more curry powder. I'm gonna add a little more curry powder, a little more turmeric. I'm gonna add, of course, another spoon of olive oil, and then I'll come back. Did what I told you I would have done, and this is what I have. This is how it look. So you notice I did not put scotch bonnet. I don't think I have, but I had some red pepper flakes and I did grind it up with my little grounded spices and herbs. I did not put any black pepper either, because sometimes me just say I can leave the black pepper out. Maybe, I'm not sure, but sometimes I do black pepper, sometimes I don't. Okay, preheating Jessie right there, and I'm getting hot water started right there in my kettle. Gonna put just a teaspoon, just a tablespoon of some fried chicken oil in Jessie when it's heated. All right. Comment and tell me, family, if the curries and the turmeric that you're getting nowadays, if when you put your season your curry chicken and get it together, comment and tell me if you see you have this dryness. And I use about 2 tablespoons of used chicken oil. Yeah. So you see it in there? It just dry. Look at it. Yeah, that's how it's going nowadays. I don't know. I don't understand. So what am I going to do right here for now? I don't know. But I'm going to turn this down a little and then leave it to steam a little. You have to, do you find yourself applying different cooking methods to some of the stuff that you're using? Comment and tell me. You have to be applying different cooking methods to them. Oh, wow. So this is left now. I'm going to, when the water is hot, I'm going to let it, you know, develop some own steam. This is not a tutorial, remember that. Curry chicken tutorial if you're new, and welcome to my new members of my Debbie's Jamaican family channel. I'm going to throw some of the hot water in there and get it all mixed up. So I'm going to give it about 5 minutes, let it steam, and then me going to see when I come back what kind of steam it going to look like, if it going to have any steam where it used to make regularly. But we're going to get our hot water. Hot water is going on there. So I did turn it down low, and it gets a little bit of moisture, not a lot. It's not smelling bad though. It's not bad. So this is the container I season it up in. So you know, I think I go throw. I never go throw all like. I'm going to throw about a half of it. I get back my flame up back a little, but it smells really good. But let's see. Mix it up in a little. I don't want to put too much water in there at once. Yeah, but it's, I don't know, but it smells really good. As it cooks and go halfway, me check. And don't mind about the pimento seeds and everything. All of that was done in the blended herbs. I did not show because I can't give away my little personal recipe for my homemade blended herbs. But that was in there. Onto my rice. I have 3 cups of rice in here. This is the rice cooker cup then. But you know, I've never tried to stop if they are equivalent to our regular 1 cup measurements. So I'm gonna do the wash and boil off, and I do that stuff there. And if you're here and you want to say, oh wow, where's the tutorial? I'm gonna link the tutorial for this rice, how you do it like that. 7 times wash, then boil off, and then come back. This is how I'm gonna do my rice. So you see the water come off, right, man? You say it's white like milk. So this is the first washing. When I do number 7, come back, I'll show you. So actually this one wasn't bad, so I'm doing it 5 times. So I'm on the 5th washing. And let me tell you something, family. If you choose to do this way of your rice, each time you wash the rice, your hand, it feels so different. The very first time, it's, you know, anybody try it, let me know. As you wash and go along, your hand feels so different. You feel the rice getting lighter and lighter. And as I said, I'm going to link the full tutorial of how you do this in the description box of this video. So let's look at the 5th water. you can literally like see the rice. Yeah, so I'm going for 5 for this one. It's not bad at all. And then I'm gonna be boiling it off. All right. Okay. So this is it. I'll boil off, and you know I'll have no lump. Remember, if you'd like to make this, you go and watch the tutorial. I'm gonna link it for you. So I'm gonna pour it now into my strainer. Catch some cold water. Yeah, right here. And I'm gonna rinse out this here. Remember, when you see here upon this, you gotta go watch the full tutorial. If my faucet was running heavy, I think something is wrong with on that here. You want the faucet now for just, you know, you gotta wash it off now until this water here, look at this, start run clear. You see in there, you see still have a fog in it. So you wash out most of the starch. So look here, this is where it ends. When you see this rice again, it will be done. To get the full tutorial, the link will be in the description, and also I think I'll pin it in the comment section just for you. So this is a close-up of the chicken all cooking down. You can see it. So you can see, I don't know if a breadcrumb is how thick it is. I did take out a potato Irish. Yeah, but I'm not gonna use it because it's already thick. So what am I gonna do? This is just like so thick, so I'm gonna add a little hot water. Turn up the stove. Add a little more hot water to the side here. This milk was like half cup. Get it up because me have it down, and I'm gonna let it simmer. Turn down the heat and let it simmer. I did check it wanted a little more salt, and I did put it. So yeah, it's cooking. Maybe another 7-8 minutes. I'm gonna turn it down back. You see it start boiling. This is how thick it is. My gravy, my curry gravy thick and rich still, but I don't know, I'm not eating a whole heap of gravy. But I like to have my gravy for my curry chicken thick and rich when I serve, but then a gravy. Yeah, so I eat that curry chicken simmering down. So my rice is all done. We did just put a little piece of scallions just to flavor it a bit, and I put a little olive oil because we never have any butter. If you want to try it, remember the link to the full tutorial will be in the description video. And here you go. You can see, you know, this rice, it doesn't have a lot of starch. It's just nice. And I did some olive oil. Put some olive oil in there. And look, this is what I got. This can be now maybe 4 people. 3 cups and all like that. Rice fluffy and nice. I'm gonna make a plate for you. So the curry chicken was finished, and I'm reheating now. Yeah, see it? It was finished. So I'm reheating. This is what the gravy looks like. Really thick. But like I said, I think I'm gonna put just like about a tablespoon or 2 of hot water. That was what, like less than 2 tablespoons. Okay. This is it, all cooked. Yeah, and all jiggy. Let me make some rice right here. And tell me, I want you to tell me in the comment section. You got a lot of people, you know what happened? They over the years, with my experience in catering, most people when they, you know, when I was doing office lunches, when they order curry chicken, they always say no vegetable. If you're that type of person that don't want a vegetable with a curry chicken, comment. And this looks like it could dinner 5 people because it's not everybody eat as much. Where would I want to have, like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this could really dinner 5 people because not everybody eats this much. But with curry chicken, I don't think you have no limit. I'll get some curry chicken in right here for you. Give it a stir. Let me turn this flame off. Yeah, put this plate right up so I may not have much of a mess. But you tell me, I want you to tell me, do you like your curry chicken with vegetable? Most people say, Debbie, please do not give me no vegetable. I want to enjoy my curry chicken and my white rice. Alright, see, I never even did make mess. Gravy long belly, gravy people them. Yeah, this is for you. extra gravy where you want it on the rice. Thanks for watching. Hope you will remember to subscribe. When you do subscribe, remember to hit that notification bell. Press the option that says all. If you're the person that wants no vegetable, then this for you. If you want vegetable, just add yourself some vegetable. Thank you for the love. Thanks for the support. Remember, we're on our way to 20,000. Hope we get there by the end of this year. And until I see you again with another video, it's gonna be ciao.